Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Good morning. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Nurul Hasana. I'm from Business Education, Faculty Economy in the State University of Jakarta. I want to presentation about determinants of financial satisfaction on financial management behavior in sandwich generation. First of all, Chapter 1. Background. Research problem. Individuals can achieve financial goals if they have achieved financial satisfaction. Financial satisfaction is defined as the amount of money a person has. Meanwhile, the fact is the financial satisfaction measures a person's level of satisfaction with their financial condition based on their understanding of their personal financial needs. It can be said that each individual can have the same financial condition, but it is possible that they will experience different levels of financial satisfaction. According to Andani, 2018. Dermawan and Pamungkas, 2019, state that someone with a high financial attitude will have a high level of financial satisfaction. Meanwhile, financial literacy is a knowledge that becomes the basis for a person to think smart in using money. Hasibuan Lubis and HR 2018. The results of the OJK survey show that based on gender, the level of financial literacy of men is higher than that of women, namely by 39.94% and 13%, respectively. Based on Andani's research, 2018, the behavioral variable in managing finance has a positive influence on financial satisfaction. Someone's good behavior in treating, managing, and using money will increase a person's sense of satisfaction with his finance. The sandwich generation was first coined by Dorothy Miller in 1981 to refer to a situation in which the productive generation is faced with demands to support their parents while raising their children or siblings but do not receive mutual support in return. That's why this generation is given by Miller to describe a generation that is sandwich generation, between two states like a sandwich. Based on a Pew Research Center survey in 2013, there were almost 47% of people aged 40 until 50 years having parents aged 65 years old or older, and at the same time raising children aged 18 years old or older, 15% of whom bear the financial needs of both. The increase in the elderly population is directly proportional to the increase in needs, including care, which in turn become an economic burden for the productive age population in order to finance the elderly population. For this reason, it is necessary to increase synergy in the implementation of programs for the elderly that can reduce the burden of dependence on the elderly in the productive age group. It aims to keep the elderly healthy, independent, and active as long as possible to encourage economic growth while the elderly are working. This study aims to analyze the determinant of financial satisfaction or financial management behavior in the sandwich generation. Next, research question. Based on the above background, the research questions are as follows. Is there an influence between financial literacy on financial management behavior in the sandwich generation? Second, in the influence between financial attitude on financial management behavior in the sandwich generation. Third, is there an influence between financial literacy on financial satisfaction in the sandwich generation. Fourth, is there an influence between financial attitude on financial satisfaction in the sandwich generation. Fifth, is there an influence between financial management behavior or financial satisfaction in the sandwich generation? Research purpose. The research objectives are as follows: to determine the effect of financial literacy on financial management behavior in the sandwich generation. Second, to determine the effect of financial attitude on financial management behavior in the sandwich generation. Third, to determine the effect of financial literacy on financial satisfaction in the sandwich generation. Fourth, to determine the effect of financial attitude on financial satisfaction in the sandwich generation. Fifth, to determine the effect of financial management behavior on financial satisfaction in the sandwich generation. Benefit of research. Based on the formulation of the problem above, the benefits of research to be achieved in this study are as follows. First, practical benefit. This research is useful as a means of increasing knowledge and reference regarding financial literacy, financial attitude, financial management behavior toward financial satisfaction in the sandwich generation and the research themselves. Second, theoretical benefit. This research is expected to provide views, increase knowledge, and develop studies, especially in the field of financial management behavior and financial satisfaction in the sandwich generation, as well as a reference in conducting further research. Chapter 2, Literature Review. Supporting theory, financial literacy, Sand and Flock, 1998 suggests for indicator of financial literacy, including personal financial management, personal finance, saving and loans, borrowing, insurance, and investment. Financial literacy is a reference for measuring individual understanding in using information related to their personal finance. Custom 2010. Financial attitude. Financial attitude can be defined as an individual's will to face financial problems. Rai 2 and Yadav 2019. Financial attitude relates to a mindset, opinion, and evaluation by individual regards financial matters that are realized through attitude. Kausar and Asadimitra 2019. Financial management behavior. Financial management behavior is defined as individual behavior in financial management to be applied in everyday life. Al-Khalila and Irmani 2013. Financial management behavior relates to the responsibility in managing one's finance. Good and bad financial behavior doesn't only depend on the capital of confidence is in one's own ability, but also by paying attention to actual ability and other supporting factors. Asadimitra and Kausa 2019. Financial satisfaction. Some indicators that can measure financial satisfaction include seeing a personal point of view on their income, managing their financial problems, finding their basic needs, having debt or not, saving, ensuring the availability of money for the future. Determining their life goals. Hasibuan Nulis NF 2018. This is a theoretical framework. X first, financial literacy. X second, financial attitude. Variable Y, financial management behavior, and variable Z, financial satisfaction. Theory review. Hypothesis first. Hypothesis 1. Independent variable, financial literacy. 2. Dependent variable, financial management behavior. Search Arviana 2021, Mukavi 2020, Zaniati, and Wijaya 2020. Hypothesis 2, financial attitude to financial management behavior. Search Ameliawati, Azatiani 2018, Siswanti and Halida 2020, Yap Komalasari and Hadiansa 2018. Hypothesis 3, financial literacy to financial satisfaction, Hasibuan Lubis and F 2018, Yap Komalasari and Hadiansa 2018. Hypothesis 4, financial attitude to financial satisfaction, Arifin 2018, Parota and Johnson 1998. Hypothesis 5, financial management behavior and financial satisfaction, Arviana 2021 and Arifin 2018. Hypothesis 1, financial literacy affects the behavior of managing finance positively. Hypothesis 2, financial attitude affects financial management behavior positively. Hypothesis 3, financial literacy affects financial satisfaction positively. Hypothesis 4, financial attitude affects financial satisfaction positively. Hypothesis 5, financial management behavior affects financial satisfaction positively. Chapter 3, research method. Research time, April until July 2022. And research place in Jabodetabek. Research approach is quantitative research approach. Method of collecting data, questionnaire with Google Form. And population is sandwich generation at Jabodetabek. Sample Jabodetabek residents who bear the cost of parent and down children or younger siblings. Respondent minimal 70 respondents. Data collection technique. Questionnaire with Google Form. 5-point Likert scale with the categories. Categories is strongly disagree, neutral agree, and strongly agree. In positive question, strongly agree have scores 1, disagree have scores 2, neutral have scores 3, agree has scores 4, and strongly agree have scores 5. And negative question, strongly disagree has scores 5, disagree has scores 4, neutral has scores 3, agree has scores 2, and strongly agree has scores 1. Data analysis technique using SMART PLS. Some SMART PLS. Validity test. Categories convergent validity, criteria auto-loading, 0, 7, and average variance, extract 0, 5. Discriminant validity, criteria cross-loading factor 0, 7 to the variable and is expected to be greater than the other variable, and for no lecker, after must be higher than the correlation between latent constructs. And reliability test is reliability test using Cronbach alpha, test model using Q to effect size F squared, Q squared. Hypothesis testing is inner model, structural model which include R square, output parameter coefficient, and test statistics. Chapter 4, Research Result. Respondent profile. Respondent profile in this research is gender, men, total 45, woman 18, age 21 until 25 years, is 80 years old, 26 until 30 years is 13, 31 until 35 years is 5, 36 until 40 years is 11, 41 until 45 years is 4, and 45 years or older is 3. Marital status, not married yet. Total is 92. Married is 30. Divorced is 3. And last education, high school is 1, high school 57, diploma is 11, bachelor is 55, and master is 1. Job status, doesn't work, total is 15, work total is 19.6, have your own business, total is 14, and job, civil servant, total is 3, private sector employer, total is 55, teacher, total is 6, entrepreneur is 16, and other 45. Validity test, in variables, financial satisfaction, first 0,875, conclusion valid. And this is variable is valid. Financial satisfaction valid, financial literacy valid, financial management behavior valid, and financial attitude is valid. You can this picture. And reliability test of financial satisfaction, Cronbach alpha 0, 090, 100, 0902. Financial literacy, Cronbach alpha 0, 936. Financial management behavior, Cronbach alpha 0, 899. Financial attitude, Cronbach alpha 0, 850. And R square is financial satisfaction has affect positive and significantly is 0,580. Financial management behavior has affect positive and significantly is 0,666. F-squared emphasizes financial literacy to financial satisfaction has affects most. Financial literacy has an effect greater than financial management behavior. Financial management behavior has effect greater than financial satisfaction. Financial attitude has an effect more than financial satisfaction. Financial attitude to financial management has no effect. Task model uses a picture task model. Next, direct effect hypothesis test. Financial literacy accepted financial satisfaction. Financial literacy has a direct effect except financial management behavior. Financial management behavior accepted financial satisfaction, and financial attitude accepted financial satisfaction. Financial attitude declined financial management behavior. Indirect effect hypothesis test, financial literacy has an effect positive and significantly to financial satisfaction through financial management behavior. Next, financial attitude has no effect to financial satisfaction through financial management behavior. Chapter 5, Conclusion. Conclusion first, the variable of financial literacy has a positive and significant effect on financial management behavior in sandwich generation. Second, the variable of financial attitude has a negative effect on financial management behavior in sandwich generation. Third, the variable of financial literacy has a positive and significant effect on financial satisfaction in sandwich generation. Fourth, the variable of financial attitude has a positive and significant effect on financial satisfaction in sandwich generation. Fifth, the variable of financial management behavior has a positive and significant effect on financial satisfaction in sandwich generation. Sixth, the variable of financial literacy has a positive and significant indirect effect on financial satisfaction through financial management behavior in sandwich generation. 7. The variable of financial attitude has a negative indirect effect on financial satisfaction through financial management behavior in the sandwich generation. Recommendation for the next research. There are still few studies that focus on the variable of financial management behavior on financial satisfaction. Next, research can use other variables that have not been used in this study. Second, the research location can be expanded, use other interesting area for research so that it does not only refer to the Jabodetabek area. Bibliography uses a bibliography in this research. Thank you. Sorry if there are any mistakes for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Bye.